Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. Here is a problem for today. It's the second multiple choice problem from the last exam MLC, but it's a practice problem for the new exam LTAM, which starts in the fall of this year. This end of April exam MLC was the last exam MLC. It's from that exam, but the material is still on the new exam LTAM. In this problem, you are given that probability that a person who is 50.6 years old will die within 0.2 years is 0.10, and that deaths are uniformly distributed over each year of age. And your job is to calculate the probability that a 50-year-old will die within a year. And here's a solution. So we are told that that probability of dying within 0.2 years for a 50.6-year-old is 0.10. And that's the number of people dying in that period divided by the population size at age 50.6. And number of people dying is the change in the population size from age 50.6 to age 50.8. And that population size at age 50.6 is the population size at age 50 minus number of people dying within 0.6 years from age 50. And then population size at age 50.8 is the population size at age 50 minus number of people dying within 0.8 years. And at the bottom we write L 50.6 is the number of people alive at age 50 minus number of people dying within 0.6 years from age 50. So at the top L50 cancels, and what we have is 0.8 D50 minus 0.6 D50 divided by L50 minus 0.6 D50. And we divide this 0.8 D50 minus 0.6 D50 by L50, and then we put L50 on top of L50 minus 0.6 D50. So the first expression is simply 0.8 Q50 minus 0.6 Q50, and the second expression, if we divide the top and the bottom by L50, becomes 1 over 1 minus 0.6 Q50. And under uniform distribution of deaths assumption, if you have TQX, that becomes T times QX. In other words, the subscript in front can be just made into a coefficient. So this expression that we have here, we can just rewrite it as 0.8 Q50 minus 0.6 Q50 over 1 minus 0.6 Q50. But as I said, the 0.8 in front can become a coefficient instead of being a subscript, so under uniform distribution of deaths. And so this is 0.8 Q50 minus 0.6 Q50 divided by 1 minus 0.6 Q50. And of course the top becomes simply 0.2 Q50 over 1 minus 0.6 Q50. So this expression is equal to 0.10, and this is a simple equation in which Q50 is the only unknown. So we rearrange it, and we end up with 0.10 equals 0.26 Q50, so that Q50 is 0.1 over 0.26, or approximately 0.38461538, and that's answer E, which is 0.385. So this is approximately 0.385. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies, and good luck on the test.